Ever thought your RV could be more than a home? This is the story of a single dad living full-time in a 2019 hideout by Keystone 303 RLI. With his special needs son by his side, he's found a unique way to blend passion and purpose. Every day, he transforms his RV into a mobile printing studio, crafting custom logos, hats, t-shirts, business cards, stickers, posters, decals, sign media, and more. It's not just about making a living, it's about creating a life filled with creativity and inspiration. Through the challenges of RV living, he's found a way to turn obstacles into opportunities. The road might be bumpy, but his dedication never wavers. Each design, each print, is a testament to his unwavering commitment and boundless creativity. Imagine turning every mile into a new possibility, every stop into a chance to innovate. This dad's journey is more than inspiring. It's a reminder that with passion, determination, and a bit of creative flair, you can turn any space into a sanctuary of dreams. So buckle up and join us on this heartwarming journey. Because sometimes the road less traveled leads to the most extraordinary destinations.